Okay, so guys, I'm editing this and I didn't even put a good intro to it, but they were trying some Japanese snacks that I had left over that I didn't eat. So yeah, they're trying them and the lighting was really bad, so I apologize for that because the lighting was behind them and it was trash, but you know what? It's okay. So yeah, enjoy. So while Nikki's eating her ramen, I'm gonna have them try some of these things and I put some of them down there. So.
That's really good.
Okay, so the first thing, put your hands out. Okay, so this.
On the count of three.
1, 2, 3.
Can we open our eyes now?
Oh wait, did we bite
No, suck on it till it's soft.
What the heck?
it? Wait, can we open our eyes now?
Yeah, but don't look at the stuff that I have down.
It's like
What do you guys think it tastes like?
Candy.
burning soda.
Oh yeah.
This is what you guys just had.
I can't eat Japanese.
It's burning.
Okay, let me get up.
Always screaming.
Oh, I can feel my nose.
Alright, so the next thing they're trying is this. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Okay, which one is it?
Close your. Oh, you don't have to close your eyes. That's the next one.
Oh, why did I can't.
It smells like chocolate.
Gotta wait, guys.
Oh my gosh. How long? Just eat it really fast. Done now.
Nick, are you ready?
You think I'm done?
Hurry up. This smells like chocolate. It looks like chocolate. Okay, I think it's gonna have like a crunchy inside. You know, like a sweet cracker or something.
The next thing they're eating are these. Okay, Nikki, you ready? It's the only savory one that there are. I'll have one with you.
Savory?
Savory, yeah.
Okay, so it smells like a spicy cracker.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. It's just a cracker.
It's a veggie cracker.
Totally fine. Okay, thumbs up.
Okay, next one. That was this.
The first two were a
these are things you
definite
have to put
thumbs
together.
How do you know?
Because it's full of them.
I'm just kidding,
It's
yeah.
too covered.
Okay, you guys can't see the package. Okay.
Oh, I saw the blue and green.
smell like
You have to
really
eat them
sweet.
both at the same time.
This smells sweet.
What if one's sweet? What if they're like different flavors?
There are different
They are
flavors.
These are cotton candy.
What if it's like bad though?
Alright, ready?
I'm gonna
1, 2, 3.
all of them.
Berry?
It's
They're
like
very-
children's toothpaste.
They're really strong berry.
There's soda science, you know, on the back it has little recipes of what they are. But I can't read it, so.
Pink plus green plus blue equals Japanese.
I give it an iffy. It wasn't bad, but I wasn't like.
I don't like sweet stuff so. I'm really excited for these though.
Excited?
Excited.
Excited.
I like
Those look
it.
awful.
Looks like it's fried or something. I like
They
fried.
could
food.
present it better.
Okay, eat it.
I'm not done yet.
Ooh, I'm just gonna have one of these.
Oh, smell this.
No.
Smells like a toasted Cheerio. Yeah, it smells like a toasted
3, 2, 1.
Filled with air.
Fried air.
Oh, fried.
It tastes like a Cheerio, that's what I said.
It's not a cheer. Oh yeah. I thought you
Like
said-
honey nut Cheerios.
I thought you meant Cheetos.
But like
Wait, what?
sweet and salty.
I want these. I like
It's
these.
almond caramel corn.
Really?
Mhm.
I like these. Wow. You don't like it?
I mean, it was good, but then like the aftertaste, I just don't know how to describe it.
That's why I have noodles.
Okay, guys. So which one was your favorite?
I forgot the taste of all of them.
The veggie ones.
You like the veggie ones?
Yeah.
You like those?
I can't.
Yeah.
My favorite are these. I like these a lot.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's like none left.
That's why they're gone.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, please leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on post notifications. Peace out, girly pops.